You guys doing zoomies? What are you doing? What do you say, Moose? Well, they prefer being above the water, so I think it's really whatever trees are close to ponds around here. I don't know if it has to be a maple tree or not. Definitely doesn't have to be a maple tree because they're across the pond in that apple tree also. But there are definitely 1,000 of them above me right now. Yeah, check it out. There's the moon. Through the trees. Pretty cool. Is it a full moon tonight? Looks like it's close if it's not. Huh, they might howl at the moon tonight. Hey, what's going on over there? I don't mean to interrupt, but hey, Raven, Monday's the full moon? Alright, well, we're getting close. Hey, don't bite each other. Raven just grabbed his back hind leg. I don't think he likes that, Raven. Yeah, last time I went to Seattle, it rained the entire time I was there. What are you doing, Raven? You're getting frisky. Hey, what are you chewing on, Moose? It's something you shouldn't be. What did you pick up, a rock? Flash is on. Yeah, well, same here actually. I've seen them before, but not in the last few years. Every time we're supposed to get them, it's too cloudy. My brother lives about an hour north of here in Vermont, and he got some good pictures of the northern lights last time. It was clear at his house. They're definitely cool. We had the total eclipse last summer. That was pretty cool. What are you doing, Moose? What's he doing, Raven? I'll pet you.